Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every single day. So folks, today I'm going to show you how to draw the super cute, brand new duck water type Pokemon Quaxly. That was a bit of a mouthful. He is super cute. He's one of the new Pokemon who was just announced on Pokemon Day, which was February 27th. And he's too cute not to draw. So I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to start drawing him. I'm going to start with his like hair piece. I don't know, is it hair? I'm thinking maybe. Okay, so I'm going to do a line like that. And then I'm going to come up from there and make a rounded area. And then we're going to come on up and do a bigger version of what we just did. Okay, so now let's do some eyes. We're going to come on down here like that. And then we're going to go with an oval. And we're going to do a full oval inside there. Now we're going to give it a little bit of space. And we're going to do the same thing again. Like that. Okay, so he looks a little silly, but it'll come together in the end. So now we're going to do his beak, his little mouth. So we're going to do a shape like this here. And then we're going to round out on the sides. Like that. And inside that shape, we're going to do a line like that. And give him two little spots to breathe. Okay, looking at this right now, I feel like he looks a little silly, a little bonkers, but I have faith in our process. I think it'll be good when we're done. So I'm gonna do a little line right here on the side, and we can come on down and curve in. And we're gonna do similar action over here on this side, like that. Okay, so next we're gonna finish off his, what I think is hair up top. So over on this side, we can do a line like that. And over here, we're gonna curve. And do something like that. All right, so inside what seems to be maybe hair, he's got like a W shape. Like that. But we're gonna really thicken it up here, because it is left white and the rest of it is all blue. So yeah, it looks like he's got a W shape here. It almost looks like he's wearing like a Wario hat. All right, so now let's work on his little wing. It's gonna come on down this way, and then it's gonna come on up. Like his little fingers are pointed upward. And come up like that. And now he's got like a little V shape here in the front. And he's gonna come on down. He's got a little body. And a little line coming down this way. And we'll come on up a little bit. And down, and then up a little bit again. And then over here, he did a big curve. And he's gonna have one of his little wings on his hip, like that. And now he just needs cute little feet. So I'm drawing a line down And we come on out. These are very wide duck feet. Like that. He's going to have a little line right here. And we're going to do a similar shape here for the other foot. And come on down for the little leg. And a little line there. And we've got him drawn. So I'm just going to add some color. And I'll probably add a bit of color for our background too. And maybe I'll go in with my Sharpie and thicken up the lines. But the only colors that we need to color in our cute little Quaxly is a light blue and a darker blue and a yellow. Alright everyone, we are finished our drawing of sweet little Quaxly. I think he turned out really cute. And let me know in the comments what you think. And also let me know in the comments if I should draw the other new Pokemon or not. I think I probably will. But let me know in the comments if you think I should too. And please feel free to like and comment and subscribe. All that good stuff really helps out the channel and I really appreciate when you do. So I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Alright everybody, goodbye!